7 types of herbs for vision restoration. Welcome to today's video, where we will take you on a journey to explore the wonderful world of herbs known for their special ability to protect the eyes and even restore vision. The eyes are not only the windows to the soul but also indispensable organs in our daily lives, making it extremely important to protect eye health. Join us as we uncover the secrets of nature through various herbs that you may have never heard of before. In this video, we will be introduced to herbs such as bilberry, ginkgo biloba, saffron, turmeric, rosemary, dandelion, and fennel, each possessing miraculous properties, from antioxidants, anti-inflammatory to improving blood circulation to the eyes, supporting the improvement and protection of vision. Moreover, we will explore the scientific mechanisms behind their effectiveness for eye health. Bilberry, a rich source of anthocyanins, bilberry acts as a strong antioxidant, protecting ocular tissues from oxidative damage. It is also known for its ability to improve night vision, enhance blood flow to the eyes, and strengthen capillaries, reducing the risk of age-related macular degeneration. Ginkgo biloba, famous for its benefits for the brain, ginkgo biloba also supports eye health by improving blood circulation, preventing platelet aggregation, and providing antioxidant protection. It may benefit conditions such as glaucoma and normal tension glaucoma. Saffron, with antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, saffron may protect against oxidative stress and inflammation associated with conditions like age-related macular degeneration and uveitis. Some studies suggest it could improve visual acuity. Turmeric, the compound curcumin in turmeric has anti-inflammatory effects, potentially beneficial for eye conditions like uveitis and diabetic retinopathy. Its antioxidant properties may help protect against age-related macular degeneration. Rosemary, rich in antioxidants, rosemary protects ocular tissues from oxidative stress, a common factor in age-related eye conditions. Its anti-inflammatory properties may help manage conditions characterized by ocular inflammation. Dandelion, nutrient-rich dandelion contains vitamins A, C, and E, contributing to eye health. Lutein and zeaxanthin in dandelion may reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. Its detoxifying properties could indirectly support clearer vision. Fennel seeds, containing vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, contribute to eye health by supporting the function of the retina and neutralizing free radicals. The combination of vitamin A and antioxidants may protect against oxidative stress. Before applying any natural therapy for eye health, remember that the information in this video is intended for educational and informational purposes only. It cannot replace professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. If you have any medical concerns, it is always best to consult with a healthcare professional. Do not delay seeking medical advice or disregard it based on the information presented in this video.